Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I get this question a lot from friends, from family, from people on the channel emailing me asking, what the heck do I buy a photographer as a gift? So I've kind of compiled a list of gifts that would be great for a photographer, and I wanted to make it so these gifts would be perfect for a photographer no matter which camera they use. Now I am using the Fuji film system, and that's the thing, every photographer has a different camera, and if you're looking at certain accessories, they don't always work for a certain camera system. Lens mounts are different, so I know with buying a gift for a photographer can be very confusing, but it can also be, I know photographers are very particular with the kind of accessories that they want to buy for their camera. So I've kind of tweaked this list to things that will work for any photographer, no matter what system they use, and also no matter what level of photography. So the first thing I recommend to get is the common, here we go. This is just a cleaning cloth, microfiber cleaning cloth. You can never have enough of these in your bag. You will ultimately lose them. They are perfect for taking your camera, giving your lens a quick clean, cleaning the bodies of the camera. You can pick up packages of 50 of these on Amazon. I will link to all these down below at different places. Amazon, quite inexpensive, under $50 for a ton of these little claws. So they'll be happy to definitely receive that. Another thing I would recommend for a photographer that will be thankful to receive this as a gift is a little USB drive. These are the solid state USB drives. These are sometimes a little bit more than $100. I recommend the SanDisk ones. I've had really good luck with these. I have quite a few of these actually. They do come with an adapter, and you'll be able to plug them into any computer that you have, so you don't have to worry about any kind of compatibility there. If it's a photographer, I guarantee you they would love to have more space to save photos. Now, what list wouldn't be complete without a book? And one of my favorite books is the Photographer's Handbook. This is 307 different assignments and ideas for photography. Now, if you are a photographer, you know sometimes you get a little stumped or you're kind of in a bit of a rut with your photography, and this would be a great gift to receive. I will link that down below. Pick this one up on Amazon, not very expensive, well under $100. Now, another thing that would be great for a photographer is a subscription to National Geographic. It's kind of a little bit different. People don't necessarily think about a magazine subscription for a photographer, but there's some amazing photos in each issue of National Geographic. I remember looking at them way back as a kid, even admiring the photos, some great, especially if you're a Fujifilm user and you're looking at some of those film simulations, some of those old style of photos, and some of the great photography on all those magazines that you're going to receive every month. Now, the great thing about signing up for a subscription for National Geographic is now you'll get the 12 issues of the print subscription, but you will also get the full back issues of all of their content digitally, so you can go back and check out all those great photos from the past and all those famous photographers that were in National Geographic magazine. Definitely recommend it, and tons of really amazing pictures to look at. Now, last but not least, a gift card. Now, it kind of seems silly buying a gift card, but I know I can speak for myself. A lot of times, if you're a photographer, you are possibly saving up for a new lens or a new camera, and a gift card can go a long way to help you with that purchase. Now, if you're purchasing something for a photographer, it sometimes can be a little bit hard because there might be different camera stores in their area that they like to frequent. So it's almost better to kind of get in ahead a little bit before you're going to be giving this gift out. And maybe when you're out and you see them with their camera, just maybe ask the photographer, hey, where did you pick up your camera? I'm just interested. And they'll always tell you. They'll be able to, if it's a photographer, they'll be able to tell you their favorite camera store without a doubt. If you're really stumped though, and you wanted to buy a gift card for someone that you're not sure where they're going to be purchasing any kind of camera accessory that they're wanting, you can definitely check out Amazon. There is a ton of photography accessories and also cameras available on there. So if you're stumped for that, you can always hit up Amazon. But I do recommend check out and see if you can find the local camera store that the person you're buying the gift for would enjoy and support. All right, hopefully you found this list of gift ideas for photographers helpful. If you had any questions or comments, I'm always down below. Leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer it for you. If I can help you pick out that perfect gift for a photographer, I'd love to help. Just leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you in the next video.